two big placers. Let me share with you the stories of your favorite teen housemates, third big placer Fritzy. Fritzy! At second big placer Ryan. Ipinanganak noong November 26, 1993. Si Fritzy Joanne Ruite Bercede ang naging official komedyana ng kanyang pamilya. She loves the spotlight, kaya naman binuking ng kanyang sister na si Danya ang favorite hobby niya, ang magpaka-vain sa harap ng salamin. Nako di katakataka, habulin daw siya ng mga cute guys. Pero surprisingly, alam niyo bang certified NBSB pala si Fritzy? No boyfriend since birth. She grew up kasi from a conservative family at priority niya ang family niya.
Ay, napakabait na bata talaga si Fritzy. Talaga, perfect. Wala akong masasabi.
Si Fritzy ay isang matulungin, God-fearing. Kung ano ang sinasabi namin, talaga susunod siya lahat.
Now, from a Pinoy housemate, lipat naman tayo sa isang well-loved teen international. Born on June 16, 1991, Bang Yoon-sung, o mas kilala natin bilang Ryan Bang, brought back the Korean wave sa ating bansa. Armed by his famous Chuva Chu-Chu dance moves, napatawan niya ang maraming kapamilya sa kanyang pagkakengkoy. Super another level talaga.
Kahit na super hirap ng papagawa sa kanya, sobrang happy pa rin. As in, never ka makakita ng frown sa face niya. Chuba-chuchu pa rin talaga siya.
At eto pa, very close si Ryan sa kanyang parents. Ang daddy niya, parang kabarkada lang. Si mommy naman, she will do anything para mabili ang paborito niyang damit at sapatos. How sweet!
He was very, hardworking boy and listen to mom's word. That's why he can have this kind of big prize.
Ryan, 착하다, 장하다, 대단하고, very good. She says she's so proud of him.
Kahit pure Korean si Ryan, napatunayan naman niyang Pilipinong-Pilipino ang kanyang puso.
He loved Philippines so much. He's not a Filipino, but he loved to live in here. He loved to study here, and he liked the Philippine people.
Ngayong hapon, makakaharap ko na sila. Ang charming angel ng Cebu, third big placer Fritzy, at ang simpatikong leader ng South Korea, second big placer Ryan. Live sa The Buzz TV Exclusive.
Yes! Welcome to PCX and The Buzz, Ryan and Fritzy.
Hello po.
Nakaka-excite ako naman, Ryan. Saan mo nakukuha ang energy mo?
Hello po!
Hindi naman yan! Eto naman, ito si Fritzy sabi nga, NBSB, no boyfriend since birth. Ay nako, nakita ko si Ryan, sabi niya, really? Anong masasabi mo doon, Ryan? What can you say that she has no boyfriend?
I can say that Brett is sobrang lucky guy.
Brett?
Opo.
Ay nako ikaw hinahabilin mo na rin si Fritzy ngayon Mamaya pag-usapan natin yan, but for the both of you, how do you both feel? Ngayon na wala na kayo sa bahay ni Kuya?
Like, sobrang tagal po namin doon, like 11 weeks. And now, nakalabas na kami. So, sobrang saya po. Nakita namin yung mga tao. Sobrang saya po yung feeling na nakabalik kami sa outside world.
Ikaw naman, Ryan?
Oh, I feel like, oh my God, like amazing, fantastic, unbelievable.
Eto na nga, nakita namin yung dance moves.
Yes.
When nagulat ka ba sa sarili mo? Were you surprised first time you saw yourself on TV now?
Oh my God, yes.
Okay, my question for you. What was the hardest thing? Ano ang pinakamahirap na bagay na pinagdaanan niyo sa bahay ni Kuya? The hardest thing that you had to go through in the Pinoy Big Brother house?
Honestly, when I'm having a hard time in the CR, like I have to concentrate,
In
diba?
the CR.
In the CR.
Nahihirapan siya sa CR.
But Brett, Ivan, and James, they keep opening the door.
Oh!
So I cannot concentrate. So that's most my hardest Thanks.
Oo. 3 buwan mong
They,
tiniis
they
yun.
keep opening the door. I have to concentrate, but they keep. I'm so shy.
Don't worry, ngayon na nandito, may privacy
But
ka na
I
sa
love
CR.
my housemate. Yeah.
Oo. Sana hindi ka dumugin ng fan sa banyo mo. What about you, Fritzy?
There was this one time na may task kami, nakidnap ako and si Jenny. So, sobrang lungkot po yun. And then, may mga violations din kaming lahat po. May
Oo.
na ano po. So, yun
Napanood
po.
nga namin yun.
Opo,
Nagsisisi
napanood
ka
niyo po
ba
yun.
na nakidnap ka?
We didn't blame kahit isa.
Mic mo. Oo.
Oo.
Masanay ka na dahil nasa showbiz ka na
Wala
ngayon.
kaming ni-blame if may isa. Yun po.
So wala, no regret. Ito naman, Fritzy. Ryan, you said about Brett. We wanna ask you, Fritzy, kami naman ang magtatanong. Dahil crush
Sige.
ka now ni na Patrick, Ivan, Carson, at Brett. Nakukulang na lang si Ryan. Pero may ibang mundo na yan.
It's okay.
What can you say? Sino ang number 1 sa puso mo?
Kaming lahat po, sobrang close po namin doon sa bahay. Parang family na po kami, sobrang
Teka, may
close.
naririnig ko.
So-
Sino gusto nyo? Si Brett daw. O, family. Anong sasabihin mo?
Parang family na kami lahat, so wala po.
Wala daw.
Getting to know each other and friends muna
Oh,
lang.
pero ito sabi ng audience natin, Brett daw. Sabi naman sa Twitter ko, naku Fritzy, makinig ka.
Sige po.
Sabi ni Margie Dorsehad at ni Lawrence Garabiles, ano daw ang reaction ni Fritzy dahil sila ni Ivan ang pinakamaraming supporters? 78,000 na halos ang members sa Facebook. May official kayong Van Zinatic site. Oo. Parang Ivan Fritzy. Oo. Tapos sabi nung isa, si El Vitton, they are the life of my daughter who's suffering from cancer. Kayo daw ni Ivan, pag nakikita niya ng daughter niya, talagang nabubuhay daw siya. So what can you say na may ganon? Meron kang love team na with Ivan and then meron din mga supporters for Brett.
Sa loob po ng bahay, wala po kaming alam. Then paglabas po namin, na-shock po kami sa mga supporters and love teams po. Kaya yun po, na-shock po. Sana patuloy kayo sa pagsuporta sa amin.
Yes. Oo, maraming sumusuporta sa'yo. At sa'yo rin, Ryan, you have a lot of fans.
Oh, really?
Do you know that?
Wow.
Oh, you hear the buzz audience? Everyone loves you.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Ryan, what can you say? Some people are saying, oh, the big winner should have been Ryan.
Talaga?
What can you say to them?
Oh, James is Ryan Bang. Ryan Bang is James. We are like one. We are like almost family.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, in fairness, generous.
We have same heart. Also, we have same faith. I think. I'm so sorry.
And he's also Korean, yes. Pero ano nga, sabi mo there was a time in Big Brother, di ba sinabi ni Ryan yun na kung papipiliin ka, if you were to choose to be big winner, you said, no, I'm okay in the middle. You said that.
Yes.
I'm okay in the middle. I don't want to be big winner. I want in the middle. And it happened.
Oh, yes.
How do you feel? Are you happy? Are you surprised?
Yes, I feel like, oh my God, unbelievable, amazing.
Amazing.
Yes.
Why not?
Yes.
Okay, at bilang minamahal ka ng mga taga-suporta mo ng Filipinos,
Yes.
do you want to give them a little chuba choo-choo?
Pero I think I'm shy. Chupa, 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 chupa.
Okay, maraming salamat, Fritzy.
Salamat po!
Huwag po kayo maalis. Ito na ang ICU with Sam and Jobert.
Ayan, thank you, Casey.
Thank you.
Congratulations sa Fritzy and kay Ryan. And of course, na Jobert. Meron tayong mga kasama mamaya. Siyempre, ang ating PBB Big Winner!
Pero bago ang lahat, siyempre mag-hello lang ako kay Danja sa Music Box, of course, Hair Asia, kala Tutsia at saka kay Mon. Gusto ko pasalamatan, of course, si Ferdy at saka Ijak Sia of Four Seasons Hotel sa Iloilo because in-accommodate nila kami doon for the inauguration ng aking cousin, ang mayor po ng Santa Barbara, si Dennis Superficial. Thank you so much and I love you guys.
And Dr. Vicky Bello, Tina Danyak from my art. Thank you, Bea Panopio. BioWash, Laundry, thank you, Get Love DNC. And ayan, ako, nang gwapo talaga ni James. Ayan,
Yes!
pagbabalik,
Susunod, live na live po mga kaibigan we have, of course, ang gwapong si James Reed.
Yeah, of course, one-on-one na guys with Tito Boy Chris and Casey, mga kasama nyo. Kaya huwag kayong bibitiw, dito lang yan sa
The Buzz!
Susunod sa the biggest buzz ever, the biggest tell-all ever, John Prams. Matapos ang buong pag-amin ni John Lloyd Cruz, magsasalita na sa pinakamalaking kontrobersiyang kinasasangkutan niya. First on the buzz, abangan!